Hey, you! It's his old son's ready to late. Is for algebra, B is for brackets, C is for calculus, D is for derivatives,
E is for equations, F is for functions,
G is for geometry, H is for height, I is for integration, J is for joint relation, K is for kappa, L is for limit, M is for matrix, N is for numbers,
O is for operation, P is for polynomial,
Q is for quadrant,
R is for radius,
S is for square, T is for triangle, U is for union, V is for vertex, W is for width, X is for x-intercept, Y is for y-intercept, Z is for zero.
Let we sing one more time. Do you like it? Subscribe. A is for algebra, B is for brackets, C is for calculus, D is for derivatives,
D is for equations, F is for functions, G is for geometry, H is for height, I is for integration,
J is for joint variation,
K is for kappa, L is for limit,
M is for matrix.
ha 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 ha.
N is for numbers,
O is for operation,
P is for polynomial,
Q is for quadrant, R is for radius, S is for square, T is for triangle, U is for union, V is for vertex,
W is for width, X is for x-intercept,
Y is for we intercept.
ha 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 is for zero.